Hello, let's start from here. I've arrived from those trees, Christmas trees. So it's 200 meters away. All this field is not drivable, and now I reached normal fields where the plants should grow. Today I have beast, and this side is not that bad actually. Of course it's bad, it's about 20 centimeters of the water I have here, but the other side of the channel, you will see, is worse, and their whole field is under the water. I've made flight of the drone, you will see it clearly. Oh, it's getting even deeper here. It's already about 30 centimeters. No doubt that if tractor would come here right away, it would stuck. Oh. Without waders, you cannot do here anything. Okay, what do you think, guys, about this dam? Whole creek. It's one of the most interesting ones, I guess, will be for me. Here we have about 20 centimeters of the water, and here this is full. It's clogged. It's like clogged with some construction material. This field there, and some time ago I was here. It was 2 or 3 years actually, in quite beginning of my YouTube career, and the dam was in this place. I have removed it, and time by time I was checking what's going on here, because my friend's land is that green part. It's right there, so I also was getting information, updates about this place, and there wasn't any damage. You see birch tree, and yes, the dam was in this place somewhere. The last time when I was here, I even was with my car right in this place. It's actually about 40 meters from here, but now it's not possible to drive anywhere in this field. I've never seen, yeah, it was, no, it wasn't close to this point, but I haven't seen the damage like this, never, in my YouTube career. This will be interesting. I was excited for myself to see the results afterwards, how it will drain, what's the view will be afterwards. For sure it will have to take a lot of time to drain it, because this field is all under the water. Even behind this forest there is some parts where the water staying, because it cannot be drained. All the water has to be drained through this area, through this channel. Yeah, while the plants is standing under the water, it's, of course, it has to be replanted, so this is losses for the farmers. The draining system is not working properly, as always, and it will be massive. It will be massive. The width of it, of course, it's whole channel, but It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 meters. It's about 8 meters of the width. Damn, what a dam. And today I have plus 7 degrees. It's January, end of the January, and today we will have 9 degrees Celsius, which is not normal in our country, because for example 20 years ago at this time we were having minus 25 degrees Celsius, minus 30, even minus 35 sometimes. But now the climate it's changing, and I will be able to do my activity whole year, maybe, I don't know. All right, so subscribe, enjoy this video. I promise I will put all me to make this video more interesting as possible. Okay. You see bubbles? It's moving. Look. Oh. Now we'll see how fast we'll drain these fields. Oh, oh, oh. It was massive. I think this dam weight was the heaviest, the biggest weight. It was massive, really massive. I see that from the fields, water is coming. Coming in the place where it should be. see what amount of the water is coming. It is huge. I cannot wait to see final result here. And this channel right away is full. Full. In this dam there wasn't a lot of mud because of flowing water washed, I think, most of the mud, so there left only branches and some grass. So I think that's why it wasn't the hardest dam I removed. For this amount, for this size dam, once I've spent 6 hours, but such a dam is perfect for me because I don't need to spend a whole day to put a lot of effort, that much, and reward of it is huge. So I'm really glad I made it, and I'm really glad that we will see a huge result here later on. Oh, this is my so we have this kind of fish in our such a channels. Wow, it will be very nice to see afterwards. There is small dam in here. Oh, there is a culvert. I remember in this place there is a culvert. Wow. But this culvert cannot handle it, so it just through the forest. I see the beaver lodge right there. Let's go and check. The dam was right there. Many of you are asking where is the beaver lodge. So check it out, this. It's huge, huh? It's 2 meters of the height. Look, the water is all around. The smell is not that good. Some muddy smell. Of course, a lot of soil appeared from the water, so the smell is coming from there. And there is food of the beavers. Let's move a bit further. I believe this area will drain for 1 day or even more. Last time when I was in this area, in the previous dam, but it was 2-3 years ago, I think. So I was with my car in this place, right here. Ten minutes after, as much as I can see, the water is completely full. Interesting. And water keeps coming from all around. Very beautiful day. Actually, I feel that we have spring today. I think now it's even more than 9 degrees, maybe 10. What a beautiful day. Half year I think we didn't have such a day. Wow, perfect video, perfect collapse, perfect draining, perfect day. Beavers even blocked this field. This is actually the same field where I was walking through the 30 centimeters depth. I have to release this one too, to drain this field. It should drain a lot from here. Oh yeah, it's already dropping. 1 hour after removal. There is still a lot of water to drain, but fields, yeah, a bit water from the fields disappearing. I think, yeah, I will have to come here after several hours and check what's going on. And what about this small field, small dam? It keeps draining. It's already draining about 15 minutes, but it looks that it didn't drain much because there is a lot of water in this field. In the bottom level there is a lot of water which is not visible from here. Yeah, so guys, please check my store, kenislavos.com. You will see the merch, the dammit, the hats, the t-shirts funny, the phone cases. So please check it out. In this way you will support my channel, my activity. Also please follow my Instagram account so I can put more effort later on for such removals where you can sit and relax and enjoy to be in nature with me. This is 1 kilometer away. Before there wasn't any current, and now we see all this water is coming from flood fields. Let's go check other side. My small dam. It's still a lot of water and it's draining for hours. Okay, so for hours there is no water, only further there is left, but I think that it don't have possibility to flow away because there is like a bucket left, so there is no exits from here. The water drop is 1 meter, I can say. All chunk which was washed away just disappeared in this channel, because the current was very huge, and I think it divided in the parts. Only black leftovers. I will try to go there. There's still left some water, but I think slowly it will disappear in this channel. But it's very muddy. The beaver lodge. I see that the water still going to the channel. This is the view from another side. And still a lot of water is coming from here, from there, from here, and also a bit from the fields. Okay, guys, I hope you liked it, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.